Welcome to Tech. If you face sound problem, speaker not working, audio or media sound problem, so I will provide you a complete solution. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. Follow 3 steps. First of all, open settings. Here click on sounds and vibration. Make sure that your sound is enabled. Then click on system sound. Then system sound theme and click on Galaxy. Now move back, click on volume and increase your volumes. So this is the first step. Now move to second step. Click on software updates. Click on download and install and update your Samsung phone if required. So you can see that one update is pending on my phone. So I click on update and my phone is updating. So update your phone if required. Then move to third step, open general management. Here you can see reset option. Click on reset all settings. So this will reset all settings on your phone. Click on reset setting. So in this way your sound problem will be solved. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.